And in this episode of my 20 favourite things in Cornwall, we go on a kayaking adventure near Porthminster Beach. We look at the beautiful art you can find in Tate St Ives, and we go on a fantastic crab catching adventure on the end of Smeaton's Pier. Plus, as ever, we spend time devouring all the best food you can find in St Ives and Cornwall. Pasties, beautiful scones covered in jam. So enjoy this episode of TravelDog in Cornwall! TravelDog here, day 8 in St Ives, and it is kind of chilly, windy morning this morning down here on Porthminster Beach. Surfers out as usual. Jeff, galloping around playing with people. Go on, you puglet. Oh, you got all these seagulls out there digging away. And we are heading over to do something else that could be a favourite thing to do in St Ives, Cornwall. I have no idea because I've never done it before. We're going to go kayaking. Hopefully it is not a hideous disaster and Rafi doesn't drag us out to sea and we're rescued by a helicopter. Anyway, at this time of day, tide is out. You can walk all the way from one beach to another. So you can see there, this bit down here, and there, that would normally have tide around it, but as the tide's out, it's actually so cool because you can now just walk all the way from here, the main bit of St Ives Harbour, to Porthminster Beach. Yeah.
Stay this side of them. Don't go round that corner.
Yeah.
Or round into the harbour.
Okay.
The yellow buoys signify the swim area,
Okay.
where the boats aren't allowed.
Oh,
The other side of that boat.
Dragging the kayak, everybody. I go in the back, probably because I'm so heavy. Kayak dragging mama. Check her out, man. It's like a kayak monster. Go on, kayak monster.
Watch it, there's big waves coming, just stay calm. Right, just go out a little bit, not far. Right, don't go too far. Now, if you seriously, please don't do anything crazy on this trip, alright? Oh, my butt.
Everybody, so we are on the kayak. Ready? Wave at everyone. You can see the sea everywhere. Quite deep, I thought. Further out you might. Right. No, it's not a deep shore. There you go, you can see Mrs. B on the shore. Hello, Mrs. B on the shore. Oh man, we've had to move around before we come on.
Paddle, go. Get us away from the shore. It's quite chilled, isn't it?
That's a bit cinematic. That's the cave. Oh, I don't want to drop the phone. Thank you, Apple, for making water-resistant phones. Oh, we're getting close to the rock. Right, we are now madly far out. You have to turn the boat around.
A nice view back to shore from here.
Very chilled on the boat, it has to be said.
Let's go that way then.
Richard, don't crash into us. Lie. Can you help me get out?
Daddy got mega splashed in the butt at the end.
And we've made it back, everybody. Mrs. D, carrying the boat back. Now we've made it. Excellent canoeing. Just so busy down here at the moment. Absolutely swarming people, man. And this is one of those big pasties from that Pengenna Pasties shop where they definitely cook it fresh inside with all the raw stuff in it. Let's have a little look at it. Let's crack you open. Grrr, 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 grrr. Whoa, look at all that. Look at that delicious stuff. Absolutely divine. Try this thing. I think this is really like just really good meat. So nice, tasty, succulent, satisfying meat. Plainer than some of the others, but very real. Pastry's quite thick, peppery. Interesting just how different the pasties can taste. Because the one from the bakehouse, we can normally get that crab sandwich. That's got more gravy, it's more sort of succulent. This one's almost drier, but more authentic, although it hasn't got the crump around the edge. You gotta eat all the pastry on there, 'cause it's super heavy, man. Also got a bit of, what's it called? Scone.
Try the scone. That's funny. The scone itself is amazingly soft. Absolutely great. Very, very good. Another thing I love doing when I'm at St Ives / Cornwall is visiting Tate Gallery in St Ives. Here it is, Tate Gallery in St Ives. Let's have a little quick whiz round. Sea's got a bit rougher and light's gone weird, and now fire out here has disappeared like the mist out there now. So, another one of my favourite things in St Ives is crabbing. So we're about to go crabbing. The tide is out, so it could be a disaster. We'll try and get some drone shots. He's getting the water. He's getting the water from the crabbing. Absolutely beautiful here this evening, honestly. Look at that. Those seagulls over there just stole the bait for the damn crabs. Came here, picked up a whole pack of meat, flew off with it. I can't even see where they've taken it. Scumbags! Where did the packet go? They just grabbed it and vanished, man. They all came at once like a sort of posse of psychos. Oh, that's good, wasn't it? So we just realised seagulls, after they nicked a pack of meat, dumped it down here. Literally, there it is. Right by the edge of the, just where we are. So they literally grabbed the meat, dumped the pack. They must have flown off with the meat and not the pack, mustn't they? Yeah. Really weird. Here's our, oh man, there's two crabs. There's two crabs crawling into it. No way, can you see them?
Yeah, of course I can.
Right, pull it up gently, because they're going to fall off the edge. What have you got? One, two crabbos. Come on! Two. Right,
Pretty big. Did you see it cling on?
yeah, clung on. Anyway, they're not fighting each other. One of them is weirdly hairy. Quite a lot of trauma in the crab bucket, as the big one seems to be trying to murder the small one. I'm not sure if we need to rescue the small one. This lot are getting off their boat. They've probably just literally been to that lighthouse. Leaping in the sea. It's quite funny. We're quite traumatized. That dude's GoProing it. Check him out, man. YouTuber. And they just recovered from their journey to the lighthouse. Massive crab down there that we're trying to get. We can see it wandering around in the water, and it did get on the end of the net, but then it fell off. Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that big one! That's a crab lurking on the edge of the net. Oh, is it in? That's better. That's better. I think you've got it. You've got it. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Oh, it's a little baby one. It is coming around the rock. It is coming around the rock. It's crawling in. It's crawling in. Just let it go right in. Let it go right in. Don't pull it up yet. Don't pull it up yet. Don't pull it up yet. It's not in properly. It's not in properly. Still not in properly. Still not in properly.
That's it.
Now you got it. Now you got it. You got it.
Oh no!
No, it can't have gone. What?
It fell out.
It can't have fallen out. Right, ceremonial crab race. Go for it, grabbies.
That one's on its back.
Flip him over, man. Come on.
That's jump in. It's high away.
In they go.